got this, you got this. What's up, everyone? It is your boy, the Fruity Fruit Guy. Fruity Fruit Guy. Let's get in it. 3, 2, 1. What's up, everyone? This is the Fruity Fruit's Guide to Reviewed Foods. And this is your boy, the Fruit. I'll be right back. 1 second. What's up, everyone? This is the Fruity Fruit's Guide to Reviewed Foods. And this is your boy, the Fruity Fruit Guy. That's better. Now, today is March 1st, Dairy Queen's opening day. They haven't been back since, October, I would say, or something like that. This is something new. I've never had it before. This is the mint Oreo Blizzard. This Oreo's like a mint flavoring ice cream. So yeah, let's get in it. And then I want to say something first. Well, they're having some conspiracies with McDonald's, not Dairy Queen, that they don't actually use a mint flavoring. It's just main color, so your brain will think it's mint, and then you'll get the satisfaction of a mint flavored ice cream. Excuse me for the stutters. Well, I don't think Dairy Queen would do this. I'm just gonna experiment. Unbiased opinion. Maybe it will just taste like vanilla, and I'll be cheated. But let's just see how it is. Nonetheless, I don't think it'll affect my opinion on Dairy Queen overall, but still. But let's just get in it. There are big and small chunks of the Oreo, but there's no cream, so it's alright though, still. Will the ice cream be cream? Comment down below. Oh yeah. It's there. God. This is the insight so far, what I've had. Let's give you guys a rundown of each individual there. A little bit of a breezies, but nothing to get too worried about. Good things. It does taste like mint. Very strong, not very strong, but a really nice mint. The cookies in this are excellent, great size proportions. And yes, it's really sweet, but not too sweet, really. I'm usually not the biggest fan of spearmint, but this definitely changed my opinion. Yeah, I just really liked it overall. It's very tasty. Something to have right after dinner, like I just did a couple minutes ago. I just want to stop eating. So it's been a long time without a Dairy Queen, because it's the one in my area. Like I said, it'll close around October or something like that. So we just went the whole winter without it. That's a little Snapchat I just got. But it's good to have it back. It's very soft. It's not really that dense or thick. I got a medium. It was about $5, $4 maybe 3. I don't really remember too much. Yeah, it's very tasteful. I give it about, let's say a 4.5 out of 5. To get that other 0.5, I would just say just a little bit bigger cookies, but still, I love it very much. It's great. Good price for it. It's a medium for 4. I don't know if I said that. Well, the size part of it. Now, one thing I'm seeing here is that, like, about halfway down the cup, maybe 3/4, it starts to look like a lighter green. See if you guys can see that. It's about like right here. It's lighter or darker green. Lighter green, sorry. Still, the cookies are great, the mint's great, the softness is great, it's great. Everything's great here. No flaws or imperfections at all. This was actually a really good one. I enjoyed to do this. It's because I've been Dairy Queen for so long. I can do it every year. And yeah, there's one last thing I want to pick you on. Is that, like, I'm about at 92 subs right now. I'm really hoping to get 100 by sometime soon. It'd be just a great milestone for me. Just please, if you could make that happen, I would be honored, I'd be delighted, I'd be anything positive. It's just like, I've come so far that I never expected to do. I don't think I would be where I was so fast. It's like, when you hear stories about, like, these really big YouTubers, it's like, they make it sound like it took them forever to just get a couple subscribers. But for me, I came out here with the love. You guys gave me some love back. We built up quick. Let's just get built up quicker. Let's just see what we can do. Anyways, that's me. Signing off. Leave a like, leave a sub, leave a comment, but most of all, just have a great night, please. Later.